How's it going, everybody? My name is Jeremy. I'm the service manager here at Northwest Harley-Davidson. This is the third installment on our special on our performance engine building here at Northwest. If you've been watching the other episodes, you know we're in the process of building a 127 cubic inch motor for one of our customers. So far, we've gotten to the point where we're ready to start boring the cases out. We use a Screaming Eagle case boring tool. What it enables us to do is it enables us to go in and open up the spigot area so that we can fit the larger cylinders in there. We've already made one pass on this motor, so we thought we'd let you see what it's like to have one of the tool go through, open up the hole, and actually do some damage to this case. I'm going to start this up here in a second. You'll see where the cutting tool actually takes out a pretty good chunk of material, and then from there we're going to go back in, double check everything, make sure our measurements are correct and our cylinders fit properly. So we're going to go ahead and start it up. This is the case boring tool. It's a Screaming Eagle component. It was originally designed by Jim's. Pretty neat tool. It's pretty self-explanatory. We've gone through and done all the measurements. The measurements are very precise. We had to make sure that the tool was aligned properly. We had to do the measurements to make sure that the cutting tool cut properly. And now we're going to go ahead and take some metal out. So here we go. Like I said, we've already performed all the setup procedures, so we've made sure that this thing is perfectly centered in the bore. As we take it down, it's going to take two cuts. It's going to take a rough cut, it's going to take a finish cut. The rough cut, pretty self-explanatory, it's going to take the majority of the material out. The finish cut will go in, it'll leave a nice smooth finish, so that way we'll have a good clean fit on our bore. There we go. As you can see, while the tool is cutting, it's taking out a lot of material. In this particular case, we're taking almost 330 thousandths out of the cylinder, so the cylinder area for the new cylinder to fit out of the case. So it's a lot of metal, but this tool does a great job. It makes some really nice clean cuts. So we have to make sure that we feed it at a good pace, not take too much. The tool's got stops that are built into it so we can control the depth of our cut. Actually, our second pass, we'll be taking 3 total passes. The first 2 passes, we're taking out more material than we are in the third pass. The third pass, we're looking to get a nice, clean, finished cut on the case. We've hit our stop, so we're done with that cut. Like I said, we've got one more cut to go. On the finished cut, we're going to go through, we're going to be looking for a nice clean surface. We're going to go back through, measure our cylinders, measure the hole that we've cut, make sure that we've got the proper clearance. Once that's completed, we're going to go ahead and go through into the engine building itself. In the next segment, we're going to install our Temkin bearing sleeve. It's going to give us that strength that we need on the left-hand side to support all the power in the motor, and then we'll go through and actually assemble the motor. Check back. Hopefully you're enjoying what's going on so far, and then once we get done, we'll get this motor broke in, we'll get her dyno tuned and see how she runs out. Look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks.